Hello everyone and welcome back to Sash Fabrics. Jessica here today, and today I'm going to be showing you a cool easy way to thread your needle. I'm demonstrating on my sewing machine, but you can do this for your serger or your cover stitch machine, or if you even have an embroidery machine that does not have a self threader, or say your self threader broke on your sewing machine. This is a really quick, easy, headache-less way, so you're not like trying to get really close to your machine to be able to thread by hand. So I'm going to be using this handy dandy tool by Dritz, and it is a needle threader, and it's called the Machine Needle Inserter and Threader. So this is what the package looks like and what it looks like in the package. This is what the tool looks like out of the package. It has a little white end here that pushes in and a little bar sticks out. You can also put your needle in using this tool. The needle goes in like this, and then you have the ability to hold it in place as you tighten it. Today we are going to be using it to thread the machine. So I've unthreaded my machine. I'm going to take this little white end and I'm going to hold it just like that. You can see how it has kind of a little hook on the top of it. See that little hook on the top? That is the top of it. Technically you can use it upside down, but that's the top. It also has a little arrow right there on the top. You can't really see in the video. So I'm going to take, and I like to have a little bit of slack, so I'm going to pull a little bit of slack and pull the thread through. Let me see if I can show you guys how I'd have it. So you see the thread is through that. And then we're going to take it, we're going to bring it up to the machine. You're going to press gently, and then you'll feel when it pushes through. And then pull away gently. And then it's really hard to see here, but there's a little loop of thread. Now you take that little hook on the white part and just nab that little loop. And bada boom, bada bang, we have a threaded machine. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like it, if you want to see more, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. There's also a little bell icon after you subscribe. Click that and you'll get notifications when we upload new content. Have a great day.